Welcome everyone to another video. I'm 328YT and today we are making the Nokia 3310 with paper, the indestructible phone, and we will also be testing if the paper phone is anywhere as powerful as the original one. So let's start. We just need 4 sheets to make this, and I'm taking one of those sheets as a colorful one. First take the first sheet and fold it in half. Now open it back up and fold the corners just like this, aligning with the line that we just made by folding it in half. Do the same with the other side. Now fold the edges to the middle. Same with this side. Now fold these triangles in half. Okay, now we have got this envelope looking like structure. What we need to do now is divide this into 3 equal parts. Okay, now we've gotten 3 equal parts of this. Now what we need to do next is fold one of these triangles to the other side. Just like this. Not the other one, just this. Next we will fold this side into the small pockets on the other. This can be a little hard, but you can do it in a few tries. Just like this. Now take another sheet and take the part that we just made. Now mark the width of the part on the width of the paper. Next fold it vertically along the mark that we made. Fold it more on the same side to make it more thick. Just like that, and we're done. Now we will put this inside the first part. Just keep following like I'm doing. Alright, and we're done. It can be a little tricky, but you can do it. Now take another sheet and make it the same as the first part. Now take the first part and the part that we just made and put the third part inside the first part. We are doing this to make it thicker because the Nokia is really thick. Now take the fourth and the last sheet and now mark the width of this part on the width of the paper. Now fold it horizontally along the mark we made. And this is done. Now take the main part and put this inside the gap right around here. Just here. Put it inside that. Now just follow as I do. And that's pretty much it. We're done with the body. Now what we need to do next is the design and testing. So let's go. We ran many tests and were unable to break it. But one tool somehow managed to cut it. But it led to a huge explosion. And our camera was destroyed in that and we didn't get any video. This is the object that was able to cut the paper Nokia, and it's clearly visible that this is also totally destroyed. Here is a picture of the destroyed Nokia I was able to get. This is very sad. The Nokia and my camera were both destroyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and share the video so I can buy a new camera for more videos. Bye bye.